Hello and welcome to another update video about EGLD, EGLD. Yeah, continues to be in a very draining correction like the entire crypto market. Currently still observing if the price is in a still unfolding diagonal pattern to form 5 waves. That's currently what I'm watching for, but I haven't got any confirmation that a low is in place. So for now, I think we're trending down lower. Even though it is technically possible that wave 5 has started, but if it has, it is not very evident. And until I see more evidence for it, I have to expect that the price will trend a little lower. It's currently bouncing between the two Fibonacci levels here, the 38.2 and the 23.6 Fib level. So between 48.45 and 58.14, that's where it's sort of ranging, you know, between these two levels. It seems likely that an A wave so far is complete. That looks like a 5-wave move down already, where the price bottomed on Monday the 8th. Okay, the B wave might be complete, quite a weak B wave, but actually let's draw the fibs because I don't think it's actually that weak. Yeah, it reacted to the 50% retracement. That's absolutely okay for a B wave. And the C wave to the downside, well, it might be unfolding right now. And the thing is, only until we have a break really below, well, I would say at least, well, the A wave break would confirm it. So if we get a break below here, $47, let's call it $47, then we have a confirmation that the wave C is unfolding. Until then, to be honest, we might see a bit of an extension of this circle wave B a little higher. That might still happen, yeah, in a higher B wave, you could say. And if that happens, obviously, I mean, it might make sense then to take some partial profits from anybody who looked at some entries possibly here in the region. But as you can see, it's very weak. You know, this might even turn into a triangle. I mean, B waves can turn into triangles, but again, I have no evidence for a triangle. It rather looks like we've seen 5 waves down. So far, 3 waves up. Maybe this is now the C wave already in the making. A little bit too early to really put it onto the chart, but yeah, very well. I mean, it could very well be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, still to come in wave C of 4. And then at some point, maybe around the $41.80 level, maybe a little lower between $36 and $41.80, we could see yeah, a reaction, potentially a start of wave 5 here to the upside, wave 5 of 1, that would obviously be ideal. Yeah, sure. I mean, could all of wave 4 be over? Yes, that's why we've got these support zones where the price can always turn around sort of earlier than expected. That, you know, cryptos love to do this stuff. It's just that until we really see a signal, it can't really be confirmed. And to be honest, Bitcoin also is expected to trend a little bit lower to complete the A wave of its wave 4 correction. But we'll see where that takes us. I think as we speak here, as I record this video, Bitcoin is trending a little lower in line with expectations, but it needs to break out. And yeah, so here we haven't really seen a lot of exciting movement in the last few days, very boring. The outlook is still for a little bit lower. Would be happy for the price to have completed already all of wave 4, but then at least I would have liked to see maybe a first 5-wave move to the upside, something that suggests that a little bit more, you know. But so far, it's likely here a diagonal pattern that's unfolding. Below $36 though, I haven't got anything reliable anymore in a diagonal. I would then really have to assume that possibly wave A already topped, you know, and we get a deeper wave B pullback. It might not trend much lower then. It might not trend much lower, but for now, I remain focused on the idea that this could be a diagonal pattern, but also here I would still focus on lower in the short term until we get a first reversal signal from one of these Fib levels, ideally. The next support, by the way, is $41.82. Bear in mind, there should be good support also down there in this region. In this previous B wave, there was a lot of trading activity, you know, and if we add the volume profiles, VRVP, it's probably down there, it's probably most of it, yeah. But here, the point of control actually, oh, the point of control is exactly in that region. So there could be good support around 44, yeah, $44, $45, just something to be aware of, where the price might enter a choppy price region, typically it enters the chop, gets mirrors what happens here. So it basically just slows down. That could be wave 4 then. But yeah, just something to be aware of. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.